I really wanted to make a backpack that was perfect for adventure, no matter where you're at or where you're going. Hey, I'm Ellie, and I've been professionally designing and making bags for over 20 years, and I'm gonna teach you how to make one really rad backpack. The Slabtown is for makers ready for a challenge. You take one look at this bag and you think, no way. There are a lot of pattern pieces and complex construction, but the payoff is 100% worth it. And I've got you all the way. The Slabtown features a front pocket with zipper closure, a hidden zipper for quick access to the inside, side pockets for your drinks. Plus, the roll top gives it major carrying capacity. And the best part is choosing your colors, your leather, and your hardware for a bag that's uniquely yours. The Slabtown is a real adventure to make, and after you're finished, we'll be ready to hit the road. So let's do this.